So we're going to classify data, and we know that data sets can consist of two types of data. We got the qualitative and the quantitative. Your qualitative data is also sometimes called categorical data, and it consists of labels or non-numerical entries that can be separated into different categories. When you're using the qualitative data, you cannot add or find the mean or anything like that because it wouldn't make sense. Qualitative. Quantitative with an N, I think of quantity, makes me think of numbers. Quantitative data consists of numbers that represents counts or measurements. So if I ask you to classify the prices of used cars at some dealership, and I'm thinking about, well, prices are numerical, and if they're numerical, they're going to be quantitative in most cases. However, if I say jersey numbers on a basketball team, those are also numerical, but they're labels. They're not numbers. It would not make sense to compare them, and you can't measure them. So this data here, although it's numbers, it would be qualitative. Okay, and then the lengths of songs played at a concert. Well, those are numerical measurements, and that would also be quantitative. And then zodiac signs of a numerical, or zodiac signs of students in your class, well, those are non-numerical. They can be separated into different categories. So if it's a zodiac sign, it would be qualitative. Now, qualitative and quantitative data can be collected from the same data source, but if it's like a student, a quantitative data would be if I ask them, well, how much do you earn an hour at your job? And they tell me $10.50, that would be quantitative. But that same student, if I say, well, what's your occupation? They'd say, well, I'm a painter. Well, that'd be qualitative. Or maybe you're asking a question about a house, and you say, well, how many square feet of living space is in your house? And they say 2,500 feet squared. That would be quantitative. And if I said, well, where is your house located? And they say, well, it's in Chicago. Well, then that would be qualitative.